So here on the profile menu of Kaptiwa, you can set up and manage your profile for businesses, subscriptions, and it's up here in the upper right hand corner. The settings manages your personal and business settings like security notifications, team members, integrations, custom domain, and others. If you see any dots on top of the bell here, it means that you have a new notification. You just click on it to see what that notification is. This square with the question mark, it's always ready to help you. It's the help, and it can help you with any issues that you might be having on the screen that you're on. And here is also a guide that can give you information about how to use the Kaptiwa interface, video settings, profile menu, notifications, training videos, and reinitiate this quick walkthrough that I'm walking you through right now at any time. And that is the home, where that icon is, of that guy winking. You can manage all your business activities from here also. This is the .com-pal solution, which is a platform that Kaptiwa is running on. It's basically a storage area and player for all your videos. This is a demo that I'm using to show the application, but normally this would be a business switch, which is your current business, where you can create projects, campaigns, and see the stats and much more. Also, you can switch into multiple .pal businesses, so you can be running multiple businesses at the same time. The app menu, you can navigate anywhere. This is just a central location where you can get access to the menus. Here's a campaign tab where you can create, manage, and market your campaigns from here. Audience, we can create audience segments according to their behavior, manage them, and analyze their activities to understand their need and to maximize your return on investment. The accounts, you can manage your contacts and see their entire journey about how they are interacting with your campaigns in a timely manner. The My Drive tab, you can easily upload, share, and set status of your documents, images, and videos. Here you can even create folders to manage them better. Analytics. This is where you get deep insight into your audience, their behavior, engagement, and much more for optimization or better positioning of your campaigns. Integration. Of course, you're able to integrate with other third-party autoresponders, webinars, CRMs, tools in just a few clicks. Enjoy using the Kaptiwa 2.0 with ease to connect to the help center in case you have any issues. This is where you create a new campaign, and from here across the whole application from this quick new campaign creation button. And that makes it a lot easier to just get access to creating a new campaign. And there we have it.